Hello everyone, this is Elisa. Welcome to my channel, Elisa's Creations. Today I've got a project share for you. This is a sweet little gift bag that I've made using the gorgeous Meadowview Lane kit that is part of the craft room membership by SHABBY Art Boutique. It is a private group. It's a subscription group. It's now open for enrollment until the 30th of May. So if you'd like to join this amazing group, I'm going to leave below all the details that you need. And I also have an affiliate link that if you click through that link and you subscribe for the craft room, I would get a commission out of that. The craft room is an amazing membership. Carrie English, that is the owner of SHABBY Art Boutique, makes incredible digital kits that you can use for your journals, for your planner, for all your paper crafting. They are absolutely gorgeous, very shabby. If you are into shabby chic, it's the perfect group for you. She also has a Facebook group that is only for the craft room members. There's only another Facebook group called Simply Shabbylicious, where everybody, not only the craft members, shares all their creations, and there are so many talented creators in there. She also has a blog, a newsletter. In the craft room, she also gives extra bonus for the members. She gives the tutorials, so shares her time in the craft room. She makes lots of videos about her craft room, what she's been up to in her craft room, and other members shares their creations. They make tutorials as well. It's a really fun group to be part of, very creative. So I would strictly recommend you to have a look into it. The subscription, it's every first of the month and it's $9. Made this lovely creation with the Meadowview Lane kit. Was a gorgeous kit. Absolutely love this, full of mice you will see inside. So I made this as a gift for a friend of mine, mother's, for her birthday. So this is the bag for the gift. I used one of the backing paper from the kit. I created the bag. I folded in here to create a flap to give some contrast. I placed another scraps paper that I have from the kit. I put one of these bulldog clips, some lace, and this is one of the lovely doilies that my mom knitted for me. She gave it to me for Christmas for my creations, so I used it. A lovely bow, look at the bow. I put lots of stickles and a pearl. And at the very bottom, as you can see, there's some pearls in here as well. And I left the back, it's plain. Let's see what's inside the bags. I obviously made some goodies. Let's see. These are the goodies that are inside the bag. First gift, it's an altered word search book. You know those word search books that you find in supermarkets, in different stores. I never actually liked the cover, so I was like, let's alter one with this pretty paper and send it as a gift. I think it would make a very nice gift, and it's actually prettier this way. And look at this. I used one of the gorgeous paper and altered it. You can see lots of sickles. I didn't alter the front cover and the back cover simply because there was some information about how to win prizes and all these kind of things that could be useful for the person who is receiving. And this is the back as well. Love word search. I actually used this book when I first moved to England from Italy to learn new words in English, so it's really useful. In the kit you'll find lots of goodies, and one of those is these 5 folders. They are super gorgeous. Look at this. So I took one of the 5 folders and turned it into a mini journal. Inside, I put some plain papers. I had some tea-dyed papers. And what I did, there's 4 of these 5 folders. I wanted to turn these 5 folders into pages. So I cut this flap and turned it into pages. And I printed double-sided as well. You see, these ones were all the 5 folders. And this is some coffee dyed paper. I left it plain for writing. It's so useful to have journals like this. I use them in my bag as a commonplace books. You can use to take notes and everything. This is another one. And I think it looks really cute. Some stickers. I always put lots of stickers. I love this image. It's one of my favorite. And after I made two little journal. This is again from the kit. Obviously lots of stickers, as you can see. And inside I left it plain. I only added one of the small pockets from the kit and the postcard, which it's double-sided. I backed it. And here is just plain paper for writing again. It's really good to put it in your purse. And here there's another pocket with one of the tags. This is actually my favorite tag. It's double-sided as well. And that's the back. This is the second mini journal. Look at this lovely house and all the flowers and butterflies. So I put one of the mini pockets with a tag double-sided as well. And here is all tea-dyed paper. And here is one of the postcards that is double-sided as well. Last but not least, Korean, as I said before in the craft room subscription, she always puts some extra bonuses. One of the bonuses for this month, for May, was the birthday card or the Mother's Day card. This is absolutely gorgeous. So I used, this is the envelope. I altered an envelope that I had in my stash with some paper. I put some fussy cut, one of the words, and some lace. I didn't do much. I actually decorated the flap as well. And inside there's the birthday card that you can find it in the craft room, as I said before, as a bonus. Ah, this is so pretty. So all these items, except obviously the purse and the lace, were included in the kit, and also except the base for the card. So I took one of the cardstock from my stash to create the base, and all the rest you find in the kit. Some layering with this paper, and I've done some layering with the fussy cuts. I love the butterflies as well. I put some pearls and obviously some lace. I never go around without lace. I hope this project has given you some inspiration and you enjoyed this video. If you would like to spend some time with me, and if you are into paper crafting, junk journaling and planning, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, have a good day.